What's the meaning of celestial? Celestial. Celestial.
Celestial. Celestial. The term celestial refers to anything that relates to the sky or the heavens. It can describe objects, phenomena or beings that appear in the sky, particularly those that are believed to come from or exist beyond our world. Examples of celestial objects include stars, planets, moons, and comets. Celestial events, such as meteor showers or eclipses, can also be observed. Many mythologies and religions have celestial beings like angels or gods who are associated with the sky or heavenly realms. Overall, the term celestial evokes a sense of awe and wonder towards the vastness and mystery of the universe.